Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and MS Excel Hub. Today we are going to see what is the difference between if and nested if condition and how to use nested if condition and why to use nested if condition. Okay, so we have a sample data of students and their marks, and we'll try to apply simple if condition in the result section, and we'll be applying the nested if condition in grades part. Okay, we'll start with this if. Okay, if the student marks are greater than or equal to 35. So above you have a criteria over here in yellow color. You have the criteria of pass or fail. So whoever gets more than greater than or equal to 35 is treated as pass. Then less than less than 35 is treated as fail. Okay. Okay, now we have completed this if condition and we have given the logical test and we have filled these two other arguments as well, which are optional arguments. You can see the square brackets around it. So we are saying that if it is greater than or equal to 35, he is pass. If it is not greater than, then just fail. Okay, done. Okay, we have one student with fail marks, so we'll make another one also into fail so that we'll have some good example. Okay, done. And now we'll apply the grades. So the grades here, you can see the grades information. So if any students get marks between 76, if he gets from 76 to 100, he's treated as A. From 51 to 75 is treated as B. From 35 to 50 is treated as C. And who is less than 35 is treated as D. Sorry. Then now we'll write the if nested if. Okay. So the nested if will be like the requirement will be built on such a way that as in grades part you can see there are multiple criteria it need to be checked to assign one grade. So first it should check whether if it is greater than 76 marks or not. If it is greater than 76 mark, yes, done. He should be allocated with A. No, if it is not greater than 76, it should come and check whether if it is greater than 51 or not. If it is not greater than 51, again it should come back to lesser marks like 35 if it is greater than or equal to 35. If it is not greater than or equal to 35, then default it will be D. Okay, in this way we need to write our formula. So first we will be checking whether he is qualified for grade A or not. Okay, so we'll be selecting the marks of student 1 and we'll writing a for logic like if it is greater than or equal to 76, then he should be allocated with grade A. Okay, and if he is not greater than or equal to 76, then again we need to test if he is greater than or equal to 51 or not. Okay, greater than or equal to 51. Okay, now if he satisfies this logic, then he should be allocated with grade B. Okay, now if he fails for this logic as well, now we need to test another logic. The another logic will be if he is greater than or equal to 35. So I'm just selecting F8 cell for all the conditions. Okay, that we need to remember. F8 greater than or equal to 35. Okay, so now if he is greater than or equal to 35, then as so it will be starting, the formula will be starting from the left to right. So it will be checking 76 and 51, both are failed. Now we got to 35, and if this condition is passed, then you should be getting grade C. Okay, if suppose he fails for this condition also, then we have only left out with one grade, that is grade D. So just we can write grade D in false for the last if condition. So totally we have used three if conditions in this particular section. Okay, now I have closed the last if condition and it is showing me third argument for the second if condition. Okay, so we can directly close with this another bracket, and now again it will be asking false third argument for the first if condition. So again we need to give another bracket. So if you look at this thing here, you have opened a bracket and you have written a logical test, and what is the value if the logical test is true, and if the logical test is false, you have written another logic to test. So again it is starting from here for the second one. So second, again if it is false it will come to the second test, and from the if it is false, again it will start from if. So as we have given the if condition in the second in the false argument, again it will start from here, and again under this we have given another logic. So it will test if this logic is passed, again it will give this value. Then if this is also fails, we have assigned another logic. So then it will come over here and it will check for this logic, and if this logic is passed, then it will assign with this grade. If this logic is failed, then it will assign grade D. So it will start from here to here. Each and every section will be validated, and then as per the given marks, this will be assigned, the grade will be assigned. Okay, we should be ensure that there are three brackets open: bracket 1 here, the main one, then the bracket 2, the second one, bracket 3 is the third one. So first we will be closing the last bracket. So here you can see, if I move the cursor to left and right for this particular bracket, you can see the cursor is becoming bold for the third if condition. Okay, if we do the same thing for second one, it is becoming, the second one is being highlighted. Second brackets after if condition, the bracket second if conditions bracket is highlighting. Okay, and now the third one. Okay, so in this way you need to validate if the brackets are correct or not. If you make a lengthy nested if also, you are going to get confused. So nested if should be used in a simple and a easy way. So if it is very lengthy, if lengthy multiple so many criteria, then better to have a multiple sections instead of using nested if. So if you have only like 3 to 4 grades, in this way we have only 4 grades. So it is very easy to build a formula in this way. But if you have some 20 to 30 criteria to be met, then you can't write 30 if conditions. Then finally we'll be not able to understand which condition is fulfilling what need. So better to use nested if conditions in a short and a simple way, wherever you have less criteria to be filled, not more than 5 to 6. 5 6 also will be getting confused. If you have more experienced in if condition, then you will be able to understand. But if you have very less experience, then if you write 5 to 6 also, then it's going to be a bit confusion. So please practice, and then you can try to use nested if as per your convenience. Okay, now this is applied. So as he got 35 marks, so he's allocated with grade C. Then we'll apply for all the other things. Student A got more than 70, student 2 got more than 76 marks, so he got grade A, and he's failed, this particular student, and he got grade D. And this particular student got 90 marks, so grade A. 45, which is between 35 and 40, 50, so he got grade C. And 20 he's failed, so he got grade D. And 75, which is 51 and 75, so he got grade B. Okay, in this way we need to use this nested if conditions. So if you have a simple one, you can try this thing nested if. So thanks friend, thanks for watching this video, and you can please share this video and subscribe to my channel. So in further videos you will be seeing how we'll be using other logics in logical test of if condition. Okay, so thank you.